It's a rainy Friday here in Tennessee, and the drag strips have already called racing off for the night. Tomorrow looks questionable. Figured we'd use this downtime to fix a leaky transmission. So the transmission doesn't leak when you're running the car, but after you park the car, turn it off and let it set about 15 minutes, it'll start leaking. I think what's happening is the converter is draining back into the pan and it's coming out the dipstick. I mean, you know, you just can't be having a leaky transmission while you're out there running the roads acting like a smart aleck in a hopped up car. You know what I'm saying, guys? I ordered a racing dipstick tube from Summit. But here's the thing with this. It's got a new upgraded seal on the end. So instead of a O-ring, you've got an entire rubber sleeve to seal that up. So let's get this GTO up in the air, see if we can get this puppy put in. So here's the leak. It looks like it's coming out that bolt, you can tell. So I resealed that whole pan, got around all those bolts, and it's still leaking. So then I went ahead and resealed the side plate over here on the Powerglide transmission, and it was still leaking. It looks like it's coming from there, but I traced it back, and if you look up here, there's the dipstick tube. So to remove that dipstick tube right there, we got to remove one bolt. So I got the bolt out of the dipstick tube right here. I ended up having to use this for an extension, and could have used another 6 inches if you know what I'm saying, but got it out, just can't get to it with hands. So came in from the back all the way forward. Alright, so I've got the dipstick tube installed, and I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of where it mounts onto the bell housing. I hope you can see that up there. That's why you need the really long extension to get that bolt tightened back up right there. So there we have it. New dipstick tube is put in. All we got to do is leak check it. We're good to go. I did go around the mating surfaces with a little bit of black RTV to hopefully prevent any further leaks. If you like these old GTO videos and drag racing, maybe some cruise-in, check out my GTO playlist where it's nothing but GTO content and cars. Please consider liking, subscribing, and click the bell so you'll get notifications of all my new videos. So stay tuned as we work on this old GTO. We got some surprises coming. How much you think this will knock off the ET? Drop it down below. We'll catch you on the next one.